Hi there! This is the final part, where we will actually see how everything works out in the engine. I'll just fire up my studio. Still use the .z version, but oh well. So I'll just wait for it to. Okay, there we go. Let's go to physics editor. I just have to wait for it to load. It's super fast. And okay, let's see. I named this WZ tutorial, and there we go. Change the camera. And there we have our house. Windows, doors, textures, and by the looks of it, everything looks. No, this is the blah model. Okay, by the looks of it, everything looks pretty good. Now for the actual physics, for the actual physics, I need to create. Actually, I think I would have to lower the model a bit. Yeah, I think it's too high. This place, at least. As for this model, nicely see how normal maps affect this. Look at this kind of shadows. Okay, this looks fine and handy. So you first have to cook mesh and use mesh as physics object. Mass isn't really important since it's static, but let's just put it on 500. So yeah, this is it. Just cook convex as well, just in case. So create and save. Again, cook mesh, cook convex mesh. Create 100. Create save. Impulse power isn't really important, so you don't have to mess with that. Okay, you can actually just you can actually just go to where you put your model and open the SCO file with Notepad++. So this is X, Y, and Z for central point. However, height is in the Y, so we need to put it maybe something like this. So I'm just going to put it to 2 to see how it affects. I'm going back in game. 2 is a bit too much. 0.1 maybe. No, 0.1 is too. 0.5. Okay, now this is something 0.6, and this is something I can settle with. So you have to recook the mesh, create, and save the physics data. I'm gonna do the same with the other. In fact, I'm just gonna copy this over. Okay, so there we go. That I just have to check if this building actually has some kind of, yeah, as you can see, this it's very wrongly tiled, and that's why I don't like using the converter. I mean, not the converter. That's why I don't like using the plugin for 3ds Max, and that's why I'd rather use the blah blah blahs thing. Although I wonder why So this pretty much sums it up for the tutorial on how to get these models in game. With this you should be pretty much all set. Okay, so here I am in Colorado. I'm just gonna try importing the object into the map. Well, of course it has rotation issues because of the terrain. It doesn't matter. Just go to edit and put the rotation to 0. The height. I'm actually on a random spot in Colorado. I'm not even sure where. And if we edit like this, you can see we have no misplaced locations, and everything is, well, relatively fine. And by the looks of it, the model looks well. Doesn't. Yeah, and by the looks of it, everything looks quite fine. Where's the shadow? Oh, there it is. Then drops the shadow. As for the other model, by the looks of it, this one looks fine too. And there we go. That's how you create and import models. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you found these tutorials useful, because I personally would love to see new types of buildings, and not only buildings but also characters and whatnot. So thank you again, thank you for watching, and have fun.